more and more.
Hi guys! So basically today I thought I'll just show you guys how I made my Polaroids, or just my like freebie photo cards. I'm most probably just gonna break down Momo's one, and I made mine using Photoshop. First things first, I created a new document and I got the official sizes of their photo cards, which is 5.5 times 8.5 centimeters, and then I made a new document but multiplying that. So I created all of these as 550 times 850 pixels, so I want to be too small and be too blurry. The first layer is just a plain pink background, and I decided to go with everyone's official colors. And then I have cut out the picture of Momo to the size I wanted it to be to the Polaroid, and then I added on all these different layers, and we got a blush layer and I just brightened up her lipstick, and we also have freckles, and then I think the rest of the layers are just all of the stickers. And then I also just put the member's name at the bottom, and I decided to go with their name and their native language. So we have Momo in Japanese, and as you can see on the group one we have like Jui's one in Chinese, and the rest of the members in Korean. For the stickers, I got them all off this person's Deviant art. The name is 𝙎𝙊𝙒𝙉𝙎, so shout out to them, thank you for the stickers. Yeah, if you just go to their gallery here, they have a folder here called stickers here, and then basically it's just all of their stickers, and I chose one pack per member. And then once you click on the sticker, it'll bring up the page, and then there'll just be a little download link which will bring you to their Google Drive, and that's where you can download all of their stickers in a little pack. Once you have all those zip files, it comes out like this, little PNGs that have no background that you can just use as stickers. So thank you so much. This is basically what made these Polaroids look so cute. And then I exported that as a JPEG to bring onto here. So basically in Photoshop you can change it to the exact width and height you would want like images to be, and this is a document I created in A4, and then as you can see here you could just type in like centimeters and height or in inches, and that would make your photo card the exact size you wanted it to be. So yeah, I did that for every single one, and then I just laid it out here in an A4. The reason why I didn't leave it as white is because you can see 𝙎𝙎𝙖's official color is white. And then as you can see here, I did a version with just the size of normal photo paper, and that was 6x4 I believe. And then for these ones I was going to make them the same size as a photo card, but I ended up making them slightly bigger. Also, what I forgot to mention is that I decided to go with like a Sailor Moon / Japanese school uniform theme. Hey guys, so I thought I'll just show you the finished product, and I have a official photo card here to compare the sizing and everything. So this is just on normal photo paper, which is the cheapest option, and I just gave them like a different background, it's like a lighter background, so I can see where to cut them out and everything. That's just how big it is compared to the official photo card, and as you can see it's actually pretty much the same size. For some reason I thought they were slightly bigger, but yeah, that's how that one came out. So basically once I've cut them out, this is what they look like, and the back is just your normal photo paper. And I think Jay's has got to be my favourite out of all of them. For the cardboard ones, I just printed out like this on an A4, and as you can see when he printed them he did it with clipping. And that caused these cards to be smaller than official cards, as you can see here. All pretty much the same size but not exactly the same. And this is 300 GSM It was the thickest they went to, I believe, at my local printing shop, Warehouse Stationery. And then cut out. This is how they turned out. So I'll just do a side by side for you guys to see the differences between the two prints. So this one was just printed on photo paper and this is printed on cardboard. And for the photo paper one, the pros I would say is that it is very smooth. There's no grain or anything, so it looks very pretty and nice. And then we go over to the cardboard print and you can see it's kind of slightly grainy around here, not as clear as I would have wanted it to be, but still pretty happy. Yeah, that's mainly the only con, is that it's kind of grainy. But the pros are that it came out more vibrant and picked up more of the detail. Seeing it on camera, I think this one actually looks better. And I'll most probably go with this one next time, but the photo paper is like such a great cheaper alternative. Because this one is so much cheaper, I would go with this, most probably if you're giving out for freebies. And then this could just be for yourself unless you want to splurge on giving out freebies, or you could find a cheaper printing method. Thanks for watching. Stream more and more, and I'll see you guys in the next video.